Today I'd like to do a video about the evolution of hiking shoes. I've been hiking for many years, and during that time I have come across a lot of different hiking shoes, be it traditional hiking shoes with high tops to trail runners to a new shoe that I'm trying out now. I've been kind of slow in getting into the different types of shoes because I find something that I like and I stick with it. And I'd like to show you some of these shoes. And the only reason I can do this video is because I have a problem with throwing shoes away. So I've kept a number of them, whether to work in the yard or just to have as casual shoes or something like that. So I'm going to show you the different shoes that I've had over the years. And I will start with the first shoes I actually had were some that I borrowed. 15 years ago, my buddy took me on a hiking trip on the Appalachian Trail for a section trip, and I think we went from the Nantahala Outdoor Center to Fontana Dam, and on that I borrowed just about everything I had. But after that I bought some shoes, and this is what I had. These are very heavy, older Timberland shoes. Now you can see that they're in still very good, okay condition, except for that they're about to fall apart. But I've had these shoes forever and just never threw them away. But these are traditional Timberland hiking shoes, and I even upgraded and got the Superfeet insoles years ago with them to use on the trail. And I used these for a while, but what I found out as I used them is that they are very heavy. Traditional hiking shoes are heavy, but Timberlands lasted a long time, and it's time to throw them away. After that, I decided, well, I'll try to find something lighter. And looking over the landscape of different companies, Merrell is a great company, and they always have good hiking shoes. So I went with, I think these are the Moabs. They're not the Gore-Tex, but I've had these shoes for many years, and they are great. They've obviously had some wear on them, but they continue with those Vibram soles, continue to have great flexibility, and I still use them casually around the house, but don't hike in them much anymore. These are not Gore-Tex of any kind, so they will get wet and they don't dry that easy. But you can see after many years, they're still in shape that you can walk around in them. Again, never threw them away. Probably about time to let these go as well. From there, I decided to move over to a Gore-Tex shoe. And I love the Merrell company so much that I went ahead and got a Merrell shoe. Found these at a traditional hiking store with a tremendous discount. And I will say, you can look, I've had these for many years. The wear on these things is incredible. They have not worn down. The Merrell company seems to be just one of the better companies that I've had over the years to wear. Again, with the Vibram shoes, they've got a lot of wear on them, but they just simply don't break down, and they're very comfortable. But again, still very heavy because they're rugged and their durability is great, but they are heavy. From there, I saved up over a few years and went over to the Salomon brand because they are so much lighter than the Merrells. And these again were Gore-Tex, but after a long period of time, I think I've hiked with these for 5 or 6 years, being Gore-Tex, I have super glued them. I have done different things to keep them going because I love these shoes so much. And you can see the tread has finally come off, and it was finally time for me to give up. I love the, I think it's Kevlar, these great shoe strings, or the strings that hold the shoe here, have been great. I was afraid they would come apart, they would break down in the shoe, but they didn't. And I love this little place to keep the top in or to cinch them down below the last string. But they held up fairly well. But I even used them on my last hiking trip after years, but as you can see, they have finally worn down, and it's time to give these up. But again, Gore-Tex. So I thought after that, I'd had several times that I'd rolled my ankle, and somebody gave me a gift card, and so I just went to a traditional department store and thought I'm going to go back to some high top hiking shoes just to see how they would work, as I'd hiked in the low tops for so long, for many years. And I found these at just a traditional department store, as I said. Again, they're a Gore-Tex waterproof shoe. I went back to the Merrell, and I've had them but not used them very much. I found that I couldn't really go back to the high tops, even though I've had some problems rolling my ankles over the years. The Merrells are great, but they're very heavy and great for maybe winter, and I still would probably wear them in like I think this year I went to the Land Between the Lakes and would wear them again in the Land Between the Lakes because of the waterproof material, but just too heavy for me. So lastly, I decided, after a long period of going with traditional hiking shoes and with the Gore-Tex, I was gonna, after watching many videos on YouTube of people hiking and trail runners, I thought I would try it. So somebody bought me some shoes for Father's Day or birthday or something in my family, and I traded them in for some New Balance 620s. These are traditional trail runners from New Balance, and I can tell you I still use these today. I really like the New Balance. They are super lightweight and they have not broken down. Had them for 2 years or so, though they're a little worn. I love the tread on them. They're not waterproof, obviously, but they are super light and they are super comfortable. I've always run in New Balance shoes and just absolutely love these shoes. But after having them for a couple of years, I decided I finally will try something different. So here is what I have settled on now. Again, this is probably almost 15 years of hiking. After watching people hike in Altras for many years, I decided I would try the Altras. I found them half price on the Mass Drop website, or Drop website now I think it's called. They've dropped the Mass of the Mass Drop and just call it Drop. I came across half price, essentially, the Altra Olympus, and I've watched many videos of people hiking these. After reading and watching them over the years, last few years, I've decided to give it a try. I will say that I have seen some durability issues, especially people hiking on the Appalachian Trail, with the toe box here and on the outside. I wish that this material went further across here, but it doesn't. But what I really like about them, what I hear people talk about them so much, is this wide foot box to avoid blisters and give you some room. The other thing I just love about them is this, I'd heard people talk about this great comfort in the insole and in the cushion off of the zero drop from here to here. And I actually recommended them to somebody before I bought them. They brought them to me and showed them to me. I put my foot in them and thought, I've got to try this. So I'm got these shoes and have not used them yet. I'll do a review on them once I hike in them. What also I like about the Altras is you have this neat little gator trap that you can get the Altra Gators, I guess, or other brands, and then clip your Gators in the back, and then it has a D-ring on the front to clip the Gators on. I just think this is not the color that I wanted. I wanted the red and gray, but the half price sale that they had only had these neon green color, but color really doesn't bother me. I just like the fact that it was half price. I'm always looking for the best price and the best price I can get on any sale before I'll buy some. So I'm typically always slow in moving from either different fabrics or different gear to the new thing. I want to watch people use them on YouTube and see how they do, but have decided to try the Altra Olympus shoes. I think these are now the Olympus 3, and give them a try on the trail. So my next hike, I will be attempting to use these and just hope that the durability of these is as good as some of the shoes that I've had over the years. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful to somebody. I will say as a caveat, I don't recommend any of these shoes to anybody. You simply have to go out and find out for yourself what works for you. I have watched enough videos that I think this is going to work for me. I don't know exactly, but I do really like the Merrell brand, and I do like the Salomon brand. I've found them to be good durability and excellent shoes over the years for hiking. Anyway, just thought I'd give you this bit of information. I hope it helps. If it doesn't, let me know below, and what you've found that is the best way that you've come across the better hiking shoes over the years. Thanks.